Blockchain Chancellor Rishi tells Royal Mint to create a crypto token in bid to make Britain a global hub for digital technology. The Chancellor wants the token to be issued by the summer in a bid to show the forward-looking approach we are determined to take towards crypto assets. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. NFTs are tradable, unique items that have taken the internet by storm over the last year. They are built using the same technologies as cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and are stored on the blockchain. That means it cannot be replicated and is unique to whoever founds it. Sunak's decision to press ahead came as he doubled down on his support for crypto coins, despite fears that they could be used by criminals and money launderers. The Chancellor said, "This is part of our plan to ensure the UK financial services industry is always at the forefront of technology and innovation. It's not clear yet what an NFT created by the Royal Mint would be used for, what it would cost, or who could buy it. It is understood the NFT will back a collectible digital artwork, which the Royal Mint will add to its range of products." Crypto has garnered a bad reputation in recent years, as Bitcoin, the best-known crypto asset, has been used by criminals to avoid the eyes of the law. Supporters view NFTs as the next phase in art collection, and they have exploded in popularity in recent years, with NFT artworks selling for millions of dollars. Physical works of art and other rare memorabilia have long been sold for large sums of money, but if you create something digitally, it is hard to make gains. So NFT offers a chance for artists in the internet age to make some money by selling ownership to anyone who wants it. NFTs are still a new market, so there is unlikely to be the same demand you will find for other physical items, such as trading cards, art, or classic cars. Selling a digital asset does not mean the original creator loses copyright either, unless it is explicitly stated as part of the sale. Of course, this does not stop the image being easily copied by anyone online, but an NFT provides someone the honor of knowing they own the original image. An NFT exists on a blockchain, a record of transactions kept on networked computers that serves as a public record, allowing anyone to verify its authenticity and who owns it. As with any blockchain system, records cannot be forged or divided, as they are logged on computers around the world that are part of the. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. Finally, check the resources to more detailed information on metaverse investing, decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT, non-fungible tokens, investing guides in the description box below.